Lagay mo sa weak side ito si Romy De La Rosa, malaking bagay ang magagawa niya sa kanilang opensa at pinakita na nga niya. Pero may foul nga itatawag dito. It looks like itong si Bong Alvarez. Natuhod na rin siguro ito sa kanyang hita, but we'll have to find out.
Foul was on Leo Batog. Second foul on Batog. Alvarez is in pain. Dahil sumabit nga, no, mukhang nangyari, nagkabanggaan ng tuhod between Bong Alvarez and Leo Batog. At alam naman natin gaano katibay ang katawan ng dalawang manlalaro natin. Alvarez still on the floor. Ito yung nangyari, mga kaibigan. Alvarez will escape De La Rosa. He will try to slice the defense of Batog there.
Tuhod sa tuhod yan. At, although a foul was called against Leo Batog.
Batog is fine. He is on his feet.
Yes.
Wala ka problema. Alvarez is still on the floor. They're still defending Bong Alvarez, who was having trouble standing up. Bong is very much concerned with his left knee.
The Negros bench asking for a technical, whether to call a timeout in favor of the Pampanga Dragons. Medyo nagtatagal ito si Bong Alvarez. But he's gonna limp towards bench of Pampanga. I don't think makakabalik siya unless talagang pakiramdaman niya muna kung anong feeling dun sa kanyang left knee.
Aalamin natin, no, what exactly Alvarez is feeling on that left knee. Alex Santos will give us that report later on. He will go and check on Alvarez as we try to proceed with our ball game. So far, itong si Bong Alvarez ay meron na pong 15 puntos at 4 na rebounds. Now we have 3 minutes and 47 seconds remaining on the game clock. Ang ating score, 81-78, 3-point lead for the Negros Slashers.
And this is a big blow to the Pampanga Dragons because
ligament mo?
dito sa fourth quarter, ito si Bong Alvarez nang papakita ng aggressiveness ng Pampanga, no? Para
Sa labas, itong si Robert. Bong Alvarez still on the floor. Alamin natin ang kondisyon ni Bong from Alex Santos. Alex, go ahead.
Yes, Miko, mukhang matindi itong nangyaring injury kay Bong Alvarez dahil according to our physician dito sa NBA, well, twisted knee ito at mukhang may tear doon sa kanyang meniscus, part of his knee, at mukhang kailangan ito ng pahinga muna at hindi na siguro ito makakabalik ngayon for his team. Miko, Danny, back to you.
Okay, bad news.